Can you guess the number one question people have when they look at a new savings account? It's not what's the opening deposit or are there any monthly fees, it's how much interest will I actually make? And when it comes to Patriot Bank Star Savings Account, that question has a few different answers. So, what is the Star Savings Account and is it really worth it? Let's break it down. The Star Savings Account is a variable, tiered interest savings account offered by Patriot Bank. This means the interest rate you earn can change, and it depends on how much money you have in the account. Here's the key thing you need to know: this isn't a standalone account. To get the Star Savings Account, you also need to open a Patriot Bank Star Banking checking account and maintain an aggregate average daily balance of at least $15,000 between the two. The good news is, by linking these accounts, you get access to promotional interest rates on your Star Savings account for the first 180 days, provided it's new money, meaning funds not already on deposit with Patriot Bank. After that, your interest rate is still tiered based on your balance. For balances under $100,000, the rate is lower, but for balances of $100,000 or more, it jumps up significantly. So, is it worth it? The answer is, it depends entirely on your financial situation. If you're looking for a high-yield savings account and you have a substantial amount of money, specifically $100,000 or more, to park in the account, then the Star Savings Account could be a very attractive option, especially with that higher tier rate. The unlimited ATM fee rebates and other perks that come with the linked Star Banking account are also a nice bonus. However, if you don't have that much saved up, the lower tier interest rate might not be as competitive as what you could find elsewhere. Remember, you also have to maintain that $15,000 aggregate balance to avoid any potential fees or account conversion. For a lot of people, a different high-yield savings account that doesn't have a linked account requirement and offers a more consistent, high rate regardless of balance might be a better fit. The Star Savings Account is designed for a specific type of customer, one who is looking to consolidate a significant amount of money at one institution for maximum benefit. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.